Hi, welcome to our grocery store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I am looking for some fruits and vegetables.
Sure, what fruits do you need?
I need some apples and bananas, please.
How many apples would you like?
I would like 6 apples.
Okay, and how many bananas do you need?
I need a dozen bananas, please.
Got it. Is there anything else you need?
Yes, I need some oranges.
How many oranges?
I'll take 4 oranges, please.
All right, now, what vegetables do you need?
I need some potatoes and onions.
How many kilograms of potatoes would you like?
I would like 2 kilograms of potatoes.
And how many onions do you need?
Just 1 kilogram of onions, please.
Anything else from the fruits or vegetable section?
No, that's all.
Great. Do you need anything from the dairy section?
Oh yes, I need some milk and eggs.
How much milk do you need?
I need 2 liters of milk.
And how many eggs would you like?
I'll take a dozen eggs.
All right. Do you need cheese or butter?
Yes, I need a small pack of butter, please.
Sure. Do you need anything from the bakery?
Yes, I need a loaf of bread.
White bread or whole wheat bread?
Whole wheat bread, please.
Got it. Is there anything else?
Yes, I need some snacks.
What kind of snacks are you looking for?
I need some chips and cookies.
We have different flavors of chips. Which one would you like?
I'll take 1 pack of salted chips and 1 pack of barbecue chips.
And what kind of cookies would you like?
I'll take a pack of chocolate chip cookies.
Perfect. Do you need drinks?
Yes, I need a bottle of orange juice.
Small, medium, or large bottle?
A large bottle, please.
All right. Do you need anything else?
No, I think that's all for now.
Let me check your list. 6 apples, 12 bananas, 4 oranges, 2 kilograms of potatoes, 1 kilogram of onions, 2 liters of milk, a dozen eggs, a small pack of butter, a loaf of whole wheat bread, salted and barbecue chips, chocolate chip cookies, and a large bottle of orange juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. Let me pack these for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Your total is $30.50.
Here's the money.
Thank you. Here's your change. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.